Hey guys, today I'm playing Animal Jam, and I'm real sorry if you hear the TV and you can't hear my voice. The TV might be too loud, but I'm real sorry for that. Anyways, let's hop right into it. Let's play some Throwing Phantoms, and I'm a pro at this game, so just watch me. And if my sister pops in, ignore her because she's dumb and stupid. Wink, wink. But I can't move. Hold up. Wait, no. Alright. A little bit glitchy because I... Told you I'm a pro. See, you got in second place right up there. Pro. By the way, this is my beautiful character. If you get confused of where I am, this is my beautiful character. Isn't that fabulous? Yeah, that's fabulous. Such fabulousness. And look up this girl on YouTube called Maddie Love. I like her channel 90% because when I was on a live stream of hers, she took me off the list of the tournament that she was going to do if we could win a diamond spike collar. But I didn't know I was supposed to say the dot, so Maddie Webb, if you're watching this, never do that again. Just a normal day in Animal Jam. This is life, peeps. This girl wanted me to trade with her, so I'm gonna trade with her. Let's see what she got. How she got rare? She looked new. Well, I kind of want those wings, or those boots, or shoes. I'm gonna go for the wings. I'll trade her a rare. I might trade her 2 rares for that. Let's see. By the way, once again, sorry for the TV if you hear it. Where's my rare? I'm gonna put the eagle. Yes. Okay. Nice doing business with you, whoever you are. I should probably tell everybody that I'm recording. I should do that probably. I am recording. I'm recording. Do they care or not care? She's a hacker. Kinda. Anyways, guys. Why should I get out? You can't tell me what to do. Sorry, we don't do that in Animal Jam. We don't adopt animals. Do you hear my sister? Don't. Oh my god, she's just disturbing the whole freaking video. Yeah. But I'm recording, so yeah. Guys. We don't do that in Animal Jam. You can't adopt you. Nobody gonna adopt you. Okay, seems like he is breaking the laws of Animal Jam. That's just not right. That is not right. Do you guys notice my puppy? My puppy. Dancing, dance like a pro, yo, dance like a pro, yo, dancing, and dancing. I'm dancing like a pro, so I get these on. Dancing like a pro, I'm dancing like a pro, yo, dancing like a pro, dancing like a pro, bro. Just a y'all want to see a trick? I can juggle. Juggling like a pro. Juggling like a pro. Now I'm eating. That kind of came out wrong. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. Bye, people. And remember to download this game. It's awesome. Very awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Anyways, bye.